Now I am going to teach you how to find out the square root of a number by using logarithms. Let us take a number 625. The square root of 625 is 25. If it is calculated with the help of calculator, you will get the answer. The same answer that is to be obtained with the help of log book. So square root of 625, which is equivalent to, you know very well that is equal to 625 power of half. This one can be written like this. Now we have to find out the log value. Okay. So here first you write like this: log of x power of half. How it can be written? This one can be written as half log of x. So like this we can write, we can convert. So like that, in the same manner we have to write this number also. How will you write? Log of 625 power of half can be written as half log of 625. Are you clear? Now already I have found out the value of log of 625 from the table. What is the log of 625? 3 digits are there. Therefore, the character must be written as 2. Are you clear? So 625, 3 digits are there, therefore the character is 2. So therefore it should be written as 2.7959 must be written. This is a log of value of this factor, that is to be divided by 2. How will you divide this? Simply you divide 1.3979. So this is the divided value. For this number we have to find out the anti-log. Are you clear? While finding out the anti-log, this factor alone must be taken into account. Don't bother about this factor. For this factor alone we have to find out the anti-log. So by using logarithmic book, turn over the next page. In the anti-log page, look at the number. The value is 3979. 3979 is, first you have to look at for 397. The value is 2495. In mean difference column, you have to move the finger till you see above up to 9. There you are getting 5. Add both the two value, you are getting 2500. So the anti-log of this number is 2500. After finding the anti-log, put the decimal point after the first digit, write into multiplication, write 10. This factor must be written as the power of 10. The factor what is written here, that must be written as the power of 10. So finally you are getting 2.5 into anything that 10 to the power of 1, that can be written as 10. So finally you are getting 25. Therefore the square root of 625 is how much? 25. So like that we are able to easily calculate the square root. Listen here. Now I am going to do one more problem related to the square root. Same number 625, but the decimal point is displaced. Now it is taken as 6.25. Now the square root of 6.25 to be found out. As it is, as done in the previous case, now also you write it to the same thing. Now log of this number 6.25, that could be written as 6.25 power of half can be written. Okay. Now write the same number here. 6.25 power of half can be written. Okay. Now this, the next step, the half can be brought in this side. As per logarithmic rules, half of log of 6.25 must be written. Half of log of 625 is already written. Before the decimal point only one digit is there. Therefore 0 is the character. So 0.7959 is the value. Divide the factor by 2. You will get 0. Simply you divide. Okay. 7 divided by 2, here 3 is there, 9 is there, and then 16, 8, and then 1, 9. Okay. So this is the value. Now we have to find out the anti-log only for this number. Anti-log to be found out only for this number 3989. Already we have seen 3989, 2495. 2495. Okay. So here after finding the value, this is the seen only for 39, 8, For 9 we have to see, there you will get 5. So finally you are getting 2500. So after writing the number, put the decimal point. Is it clear? After the first digit, into sign must be written, 10 must be written, this factor must be written as the power of 10 to the power of c, 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Therefore, 2.5 into 1 is equal to 2.5. So this is the square root of how much? 6.25. So this is the method of finding the square root of 6.25. These are all sample problems. Okay. Now I have taken the third number. The third number is square root of 0.625. Okay, how will you find out? Very easy one. Now this number that could be written as 0.625 power of half. In that format we can write. Next you have to take log. Log of 0.625 power of half can be written. As per log rules, this n can be brought down here in this side, and the remaining factor is 0.625. Are you clear? Half of log of 0.625 is how much? Bar 1.7959. Okay, into bar 1.7959 is the answer. Now the steps are very important. Okay, very tricky steps. You have to follow the steps very keenly. Here I can write this bar 1. After that 7959 must be written. Just for convenience I am adding 1 and subtracting with 1. Again you divide the factor by 2. Now you have to follow the steps very keenly. This -1 and this -1 both can be added. Bar 1 is nothing but -1. -1 both can be added as bar 2. This 1 can be added with this number. Follow the steps very keenly. This 1 must be added with this number, this part. After adding, you will get 1.7959 can be written. Are you clear? The whole thing to be divided by 2. You split the factors, later you find out. Bar 2 divided by 2. Here this factor should be calculated separately. 1.7959 can be written divided by 2. Are you clear? Simply you write the plus sign, later I will change. Now bar 2 divided by 2 is bar 1. Put a dot here. And then because both have to be added now, that's why put a dot here. Now you divide the factor by 2. 17. 17 means 6. Is it clear? 16. Sorry, 8. And then in 17, how many 2's are there? 8 2's are there. Remaining 9. Here 1, 19. 19 means 18. So here very simple division. 15, 7, 1, 9. So for this factor we have to find out the anti-log. With the help of log book, if you find out the anti-log for the number 8979, 7889, 7889 is the anti-log value for this number. For mean difference, there you are getting 16. Are you clear? You are getting 16, 5, 0, 9 and then 7. Okay. Again I will check it up. 7889, 7889, 8979, 7889. Mean difference is 16 and then after addition 5, 0, 9, correct. Now this is the anti-log value. After that you write the digit here clearly. Look at the number here. Bar 1 is there. As I have told earlier, put the dot here. After putting the dot, write into symbol, 10 must be written. This 1 must be written as the power of 10. Okay. Now, what is the answer now? 7.9 into 10 to the power of minus 1. It is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10, if it is divided by 1 by 10, what will be the answer? The answer will be 0.79. Are you clear? 0.79 is the answer. So we'll check it up with the help of calculator. Here the answer is 0.625 square root 0.7959. Look at the value 0.7905. So this is the answer of which factor? 0.625. Okay. So in the initial stage, to check the answers, you can use the calculator. You check the final answer with the calculators. Okay. So I have taught how to do the logarithmic calculations by using log, especially square root is taught in this concept. Okay. Now I am going to work out the sample problem 3 now. Look at the number. The entire factors all are written within the square root. So if such calculation is given, don't bother about the square root first. First you have to calculate the inner part. Later finally you can take the square root. Okay. So this part is easy. Already I have taught the entire calculation of this portion in the sample number 1. Again I will reteach the content. Later I will tell you how to take the square root of the entire number. Log of 76. 2 digits are there, therefore 1 point is written. Take the log value. Log of 235. 3 digits are there, therefore 2 is written as characteristic and log value is given. Multiplication to be done, instead of multiplication here log values to be added. You have got the added log values. So this is the numerator part. And denominator part, 545 is there, 3 digits are there, therefore 2.7364. 3 digits, therefore character is 2. Look at the number here, 5 digits are there. For the first time you are seeing the 5 digit number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, therefore the characteristics is 4. But here you have to take the log only for 4 numbers. Here 7 is there, no? So since the number 7 is greater than 5, this one could be rounded off. Therefore 2549. For 2549 you have to take the log. So this is the log of 2549 written. Now add everything. So here this is the part of denominator, this is the part of numerator. Now finally what you have to do? Here division to be done. Instead of division you have to do subtraction. Numerator minus denominator. This value minus this value. Subtract. After subtraction you are getting bar 3.1087. 1087. After that, very important point, don't take anti-log. You stop up to this without taking anti-log. Write the number here. Bar 3.1087 must be written. Here I am teaching the most important point here. Simply write the final subtracted value. After that, just for mathematical convenience, add with 1 and subtract by 1. Are you clear? Plus 1 minus 1 can be written. Are you clear? Whole divided by 2 can be written. Are you clear? Why 2? Because we have to take square root. No, this is power of half. This entire factor is power of half. After taking log, you will get, what is the general formula? Log of x power of half. Or we can write like this. Square root of x is nothing but how much? X power of half. Log of power of half means half of log of x. Here which one is x? This part is the x. This part is x. We have taken log value. That log value to be divided by 2. Okay. So for mathematical convenience, you write plus 1 and minus 1. Now listen here. This minus 1 to be added with this minus 3. Add both. And this plus 1 to be added with this factor. After writing how the factor will be, bar 3, bar 1. That one becomes bar 4. If this number is added with this one, what will happen? 1.1087. If 1 is added with this fractional number, decimal number, you will get this one. And then divided by 2. Now this part to be divided by 2 separately, this part to be divided by 2 separately. So what will happen? Bar 2 divided by 2, and then here remove the plus. Okay. So simply you write it as, just for convenience, you write like this. Finally we can split it up. Okay. At present you write 1.1087 divided by 2. After division, you will get bar 2 here. Bar 4 divided by 2 is bar 2. This portion to be divided by 2. After dividing, you will get 5544. How much? 5544 you will get. Are you clear? 1.1087 divided by 2 is this much. Now you have to take the anti-log. For this number you have to take anti-log. Very important now. After taking anti-log, I will write the anti-log value here. Bar 2 point anti-log of bar 2.5544 is, the value is 3584. 3584. The anti-log to be seen only for this number. Are you clear? Don't include this one. Anti-log must be seen only for this number 5544. After finding out, you will get the answer like this. Now again I would like to remind that put a decimal point here. After the first digit, put a decimal point into, write 10, this value. What is given here? Bar 2 is there, no? That should be written as the power of 10. So this is the square root of which number? This part, this entire thing. If the square root is taken, you will get the answer. How much? 3.584 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is the square root of this entire factor. So this is the method of finding the answer. Okay. So almost I have covered all the types of logarithmic calculations. So in future, if any problems are given in physics, okay, by the time you should use the logarithmic tables one by one. If you start working on that, definitely at one point of time you will become well versed with the logarithmic calculations. Okay, so please kindly do this. Definitely you will have some affinity to work out the problems in physics. The main thing is, mere knowing the formula is not important. Arriving the answer is important. So after substitution, you should know how to take the log value, how to find out the final answer. All those things must be clearly understood. For that purpose alone, I have taken this much strain to teach the complete concept of log. Okay, you also work out. If any more doubts are there, you can clarify and you can ask me. Okay, thank you.